the 3 must-do things for a restaurant owner that is ready to make some change of dynamic in the restaurant. My name is Davide Cerretini, former owner of Botto Bistro in San Francisco, California. You know me as the guy that beat Yelp at their own game. So if you know my story, you know my method, you know the way I talk, the way I explain things. I help so many restaurant owners like you with my course, Outsmart course. The link is right below. If you want to take a look, there is a big video that obviously is going to help you out to understand how you can get help from me. But the 3 things that are very important are, number 1, decide how to do it. So if you're dealing with a bad dynamic, I mean, it can be anything related to your employees, that can be related to your customer, to the reputation online, the stress. Every restaurant owner has a problem to fix every single day, sometimes even multiple. But they're those problems, they're eradicated into the dynamic of your restaurant. And the number 1 thing to do, the must-do thing, is decide to take action. The moment that you decide, you're already halfway. Waiting for things to change is not going to get you in a better position, because things will not change unless you do something. You're the captain of the ship. And that morning that you wake up in the morning and you say, today I'm going to fix this, you're already halfway. The problem is actually already fixed because you already decided you're going to do it. So don't wait. Number 2, don't wait for the right moment. Don't wait when everything is ready. Which means if you are ready to make a big change in your restaurant, change the whole structure, the way that it's operating, don't wait until you have the complete plan to do it. So just do one thing at a time. Decide to do one thing specific and start with that one. It's a win. And the number 3, it's related to that, because it's a win, that even if it's a small win, whatever it is, a policy that you apply with the employees, or a decision that you make from today on, I'm not going to do anything more for entitled customers. I don't know, whatever it is, do it. Every small win is going to help you to be motivated. As soon as you see that something that you decide to don't do it anymore is not going to put you out of business, it's going to make you feel better, it's going to make you probably stop to lose money, that's a win. Once you do one of those things, you immediately, your mind already open, your heart will explode. I've been in that position many times. I was afraid to do things, dealing with things that, if I change this, the customer, they're not going to take it well. So I was swallowing constantly, because I was afraid to make a decision. The moment that you actually start to think for yourself and not for the others is the moment that you get in a win. So don't wait. Decide to do it, and don't wait until you have the whole plan. If you want to change the whole structure, you don't have to wait until you're doing that. Nobody's ready for that ever. You're ready today, not yesterday. Today, you need to start to do things. Those are the 3 must-do to keep in mind. I hope I explained myself very well, but I've been in your shoes many times, and I learned with 30 years of experience that the best way to do it is to decide and take action. So I hope it was motivating for you, and try to do tomorrow. Go to work and enforce something that you want to do it for a long time. You will win, because when you decide, the battle is already won. The link below is going to help you out to take a look at my video for my course, Outsmart course. But also, I'm offering a free strategy call to every independent owner that they're ready to switch the dynamic. They're in trouble. They are in the middle of the chaos because entitled customer or toxic employees, or the reputation online that is just keep them under pressure. My free strategy call is not a sales call, of course, but I'm going to tell you about my course, what it can do for you. But at the end of the call, it doesn't matter if you want to go forward or not. You'll get away with tons of information, suggestion, tips, and solution that you never heard of before. I can guarantee you that. Looking forward to meet you and talk about your business.